हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ज्योमेट्री स्कूल। सो आज हम करेंगे कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स, मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड्स को हम कैसे चूज़ करेंगे। ठीक है, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, बहुत ही ध्यान से पढ़िएगा। ये उन सभी बच्चों के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है जो टारगेट कर रहे हैं RIMC 18 दिसंबर 2022 के एग्ज़ाम को। ठीक है, मैं आपको 10 to 12 एग्जाम्पल्स दूंगी इधर, और उनके हेल्प से मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आप कैसे वर्ड्स को प्रॉपरली चूज़ कर सकते हैं। ठीक, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आप सबको एक न्यूज़ देना चाहती हूँ। हमारे बैचेस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं 1 जनवरी से। ये हैं हॉस्टल बैच। अगर आप नहीं हैं कंफर्टेबल, और क्योंकि आप लाइव क्लासेस को अच्छे से नहीं अटेंड कर पाते हैं, सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन होता है फिज़िकल क्लासेस का, और उसके लिए सबसे बेस्ट फैसिलिटी होती है ज्योमेट्री स्कूल हॉस्टल की, जो आपको मिलेगी। ठीक है, हमारे हर बैच में आपको 25 सीट्स मिलेंगी। बैचेस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं 1 जनवरी से सैनिक RMS RIMC की प्रेपरेशन के लिए। अगर आप भी एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको नंबर डायल करना होगा, जो है स्टूडेंट्स नंबर आपको जो डायल करना है इन्फॉर्मेशन लेने के लिए, द नंबर इज़ 9528827121। दिस इज़ द नंबर यू हैव टू डायल इन ऑर्डर टू बुक योर सीट्स। बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स दोनों के लिए है। नॉमिनल फीस चार्ज होगी, मंथली पेमेंट करना होगा, इसीलिए बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है ज्योमेट्री हॉस्टल को ज्वाइन करने की और गारंटी सिलेक्शन लेने की। दिस इज़ द कैंपस व्यू। ये हमारा कैंपस का व्यू है। बहुत अच्छे एनवायरनमेंट है, पोल्यूशन फ्री है, बहुत ही अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट आपको मिलेगा। जल्दी से कैंपस को विजिट कीजिए और अपनी फैसिलिटीज़ के थ्रू अपनी सीट्स को रिजर्व कीजिए। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन यू हैव टू चूज। द डैश इज एक्सपेक्टेड। द डैश इज एक्सपेक्टेड। सबसे पहले व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू ट्राई टू एलिमिनेट द ऑप्शंस। ओके, क्राउड्स इज एन इनएप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड, दिस ऑब्वियस। Crowd is a collective noun for a group of people which is called as crowd. ठीक है, ant cannot come here. Ant, the sentence is not giving any meaning if I put animal or ant in the blank. Okay, now what is remaining with you? Crowd. So the crowd is expected. The crowd is expected, right? Moving on to next. Years have passed since he left Chennai. Or is always used when we have to choose between the two. Although when you have two contradictory things, for and since, because it is already continuing, because have already there, so it is a continuing tense, so we have to use what? Since here. So the right answer is since. Years have passed since he left Chennai. जब से, okay, साल बीत गए जब से उसने चेन्नई छोड़ा है। Clear? At third we have she can get a better job if she dash in English. Now how you will do this? Simply just look at the pronoun here. The pronoun is she. She, that means it is what? It is in singular form, right? If it is in singular form, then you have to use the singular verb. Which is the singular verb of the verb given here? Speaks is the singular verb. Okay, so we'll be writing speaks here. She can job if she speaks in English. Okay, spoke will not come because past आएगा and past will not make any sense. Will speak, spoken will also not come, wrong tense है, right? Okay students, there we are going to start our live batch named as Toppers Pro. Clear? This is basically for Sainik School exam. The students who are preparing for Sainik School and targeting 23-24 exam. The batch is going to start from 1 January. The name of the batch is Toppers Pro. So if you want to be its member, the numbers are there on the screen. You can call and avail yourself. Okay, registrations are open. You can call, you can visit the campus. We'll help you through any means. It's just you have to register yourself for the seats. Next question we have is, I think that I dash a new calculator. I think I dash a new calculator. So what is the verb over here is, what word we need here? Needs cannot come. I के साथ we will never be using what? Singular verb. I के साथ we will always be using what? Plural verb. So the right answer here is need. I think I need a new calculator. The best fitting word is need here. Next, question number 5. Sanjay and Sanjana's father is a businessman. Here it is not Sanjay, here it is Sanjana. Please make it Sanjana. Sanjana and Sanjana's father is a businessman. Please remember when I told you the role of apostrophe, what you have to do. If apostrophe is here and joined by this, then we have to use plural noun. Okay, Sanjay and Sanjana's father. Sanjana and Sanjana's father is a businessman. This is considered as singular noun, so we'll be using singular verb, and singular verb is here. Okay. Now look here the difference. Now you can see the difference here. Mrs. Verma's and Mrs. Sharma's houses are in the same building. Now these are two different people. House of Mrs. Verma is different and house of Mrs. Sharma is different. These are the two identities present over here. Two identities means plural noun. You have to use the plural verb, which is are. Okay. Okay students, we are also starting our Achievers batch for students who are targeting their RMS 23 and 24. Registrations are open for you. Batches are going to start from 1st of January. जल्दी से अपने आप को एनरोल कीजिए, बिकॉज 1st of January से आपकी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी, एंड फॉर दैट यू नीड टू फिक्स योर सीट्स. ओके, वी हैव ओनली 25 seats available with us in this Achievers batch. Do join them as fast as you can. Clear? Moving on to the next. Next question we have is, there is dash milk in the cup than in the other. There is little milk. Only little will go here because the most suitable quantifier is little. Milk is an uncountable noun, and with uncountable nouns we have to use little. Clear? Moving on to the next one. How many students in your class come from Korea? How many students in your class come from Korea? We will not be using comes because students is here. The noun here is students, means plural noun. We have to use the plural verb. So the plural verb here is come and not comes. Came and coming will not come because they will not satisfy the tense of the sentence. Clear? Now moving on to the 9th question. It is dash to hear the plight of the refugees. It is depressing because it is a continuous tense. It is not giving any past sense or future sense. It is a continuous. So it is depressing to hear the plight of the refugees. Clear? Okay, again students, I am reminding you that we are going to start our hostel batch for Sainik, RMS and RIMC on 1st of January 2023. We have 25 seats each in every course. So the best time to prepare is join hostel. It is available for both boys and girls. Fees is very nominal. You have to pay in monthly. We will not be charging you in bulk. For getting more information, you have to dial the numbers which I have provided you just in the beginning of the video. Call as much as you can. Call to reserve your seats. If you have any doubt, you can call us and satisfy yourself. Question number 10 now we have. Gandhiji lived dash the English rule. Gandhiji lived during the British rule. Okay, because he survived that time. The period is longer. The period is longer. That's why I have used the word during. In is not used. It gives you the meaning of a short period of time. Under and or are not suiting the sentence. That's why the right appropriate word is during. Moving on to question number 11. I will call at your house sometime in the evening. When we did prepositions, I told you that for evening and morning we always have to use the preposition in. Okay, so the right answer is in. I will call at your house sometime in the evening. Again, question number 12. I dashed this book long ago. Now students are getting confused in this sentence. They are confused between this option and this option. The right answer is had read. The right answer is had read. Why the right answer is had read? Because the time is showing, the time is a long time ago. If it could have been a shorter time here, then we will be using have read. We have just finished it, or we have finished 1 or 2 day before, or few months back. But this is showing a long time ago. That means the time has passed. That's why I have used the word had read here. Okay. Okay students, now I am informing you, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon. अगर आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेंगे और बेल आइकन को नहीं प्रेस करेंगे, तो जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट नोटिफिकेशंस होंगे एग्जाम से रिलेटेड, एडमिट कार्ड से रिलेटेड, आपके एग्जाम फॉर्म से रिलेटेड, वो आप तक नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे। आपको अपडेट रखने के लिए हम सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन टाइम रिलीज़ करते हैं। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन टाइम से मिल जाए, उसके लिए आपको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना होगा। Till then, thank you for watching the video. Now I'll be coming up with the next topic to make you people more comfortable and confident when you go and appear for your RMS 18 December 2022 exam. All the best and keep learning.